What's going on, guys? This is Taylor from the Southwest Wheel Warehouse. Today we're going to be looking at the BK42865HD ELE Auto. This is going to be our self-adjusting brake kit for a 7,000 pound axle, and this is going to have the heavy duty hub and drums with the 9/16 inch studs. See right here, this is a nice box to get it in. We got our logo on it. We got our two smaller boxes here. Keep everything nice and neat while it gets to you. And we have our True Rod hub and drum with our 8-on 6.5 bolt pattern and our 9/16 inch studs. Our races are already pressed in, as you can see. We have our self-adjusting backing plate. Magnets already installed, everything's ready to go, just bolted up, good to go. You can see this cord right here. This is what tells us it's going to be self-adjusting. That's what adjusts the mechanism out as you use it. And we have our other box over here with our small parts. We'll get our other hub and drum out of here and our other backing plate. So in this kit we're going to get two hub and drums, a left hand and a right hand backing plate. And these backing plates are going to have a sticker on it, and that's going to say left hand, right hand. Then we're going to get our inner bearings, which is going to be the 25/580. We're going to get two of these. And these inner bearings are just going to pop in right there. And we're going to get our outer bearings, and these are going to be the 14/125As. And we're going to get two of these, and these are just going to pop in right there. And we're going to get 4 grease caps. And the reason we're going to get 4 of these is we're going to get 2 with the holes in them, and these are for our easy lube spindles. And we're going to get 2 solid ones for our regular spindles. The easy lube caps are also going to come with the rubber plug. Then we're going to get our seals, and we're going to get 4 of these. And the reason we're going to get 4 of these is two are going to be the 1 1/4 and 2 are going to be the 1 1/8. The thinner ones are for the newer style spindles and axles. The older ones are for the older style. Generally, you'll just use the thinner ones, but we like to send them just in case you need them. Then we have our lug nuts. We're going to get 16 of these. Now these are going to be the lug nuts that we get. They are the washer lug nut. We'll just pop one right there. And these are for the hub pilot wheels, not the stud pilot. Then we have our hardware. And we're going to get 2 castle nuts. And then we're going to get 2 of these tang washers. And these are for easy lube spindles. And then we're going to get just 2 of these solid washers for our regular spindles. And then we're also going to get 2 cotter pins. More than likely you're not going to need them, but we like to send them just in case, so the guys that do need them have them. And then we have our hardware for our backing plate. Now with these studs, generally they're already going to be on the plate on the axle, but sometimes they like to fall out. They're not really like pressed in or anything, you just pop them in. So you just pop them onto the plate on the axle, pop them through like that, screw it down, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. That's the BK42865HD ELE Auto.